This is Raccoon, a must-have bookshelf for toys and books for young discoverers. Today we'll show you how to assemble it. The bookshelf consists of the following elements: 2 side walls, 4 beams, fabric for the shelves, 3 shelves, bookshelf base, 2 mounting brackets, 8 short mounting bolts, 8 long mounting bolts, 8 dowel pins, 3 screws, 2 sidewall screws, 8 connectors. You can use a screw gun or Phillips head and flathead screwdrivers, as well as bolts that suit the type of walls in your home. The bookshelf set includes 2 large and 4 small boxes. Assembly should be performed by 2 people, ideally on a soft surface. Start by placing the beams in the side wall of the bookshelf. Place them like this and screw in using the short screws. Now it's time for the first shelf. Place the wider board with the groove facing the floor. Now join it to the narrower board using these screws. Place them in the holes and screw them in. Ready. Do the same with the second shelf. Now let's mount the connectors in the shelves. Put them here so that the threaded sockets match the holes of the shelf. Next, place the dowel pins in the holes of the side parts of both shelves exactly in these 2 places. Now it's time to connect the shelves to the wall of the bookshelf. Place it so that the dowel pins go into the holes and then affix using the long bolts. First, screw in the bottom shelf, then the top one. Now, slide this panel exactly into the grooves on the boards, like this. Now it's time for the fabric shelf. Slide the fabric onto all of the beams like this. Ready. Okay, now it's time to mount the side wall. Line it up with the frame of the bookshelf so that the dowel pins on the sides of the shelves enter the holes in the side wall. Then, connect it to the beams in the upper part of the bookshelf by screwing it in using the long bolts. Now, lie the bookshelf down. Place the connectors in these points so that the threaded sockets match the openings in the side of the panel. OK, now you can screw in the bottom part of the wall using the long screws. Check to make sure that everything is screwed together properly and you're ready. To make the bookshelf stable, you should affix it to a wall. This is why you should install the mounting brackets. Affix them here on the internal side of the walls. Line up the mounting bracket and screw it in. The oval opening should always adjoin the side wall. Now, screw the mounting brackets to the wall on both sides of the bookshelf. Now you can assemble the boxes. Start with the large ones, place the bottom inside and voila! Use the same method for the smaller boxes. And now to finish off, you can place the toy boxes on the shelves. The Raccoon bookshelf is very easy to clean. Just use a cloth. Your bookshelf is ready. Enjoy!
Kinderkraft. Easy with kids.